Hello, my name is William French. I'll be talking about this chair. To you, this looks just like a chair. Nothing special, nothing ordinary. It looks kind of antiquish, but it's a basic chair. Well, to me, it's more than that. This chair shares many memories. One memory is family. I can think of going to my grandparents' house and seeing this chair. This chair was at the big dining room table, and this was my chair. This chair I got to sit in anytime I want to because they told me this is my chair. One of the fun things about this chair is that it didn't matter what was going on in life, whether it was good or bad, sad, happy. When I sat in this chair, I knew everything would be okay. I can think of a time when the weather was bad and stormy and I was kind of scared, and my grandmother, since I was at her house, she would tell me to come here and sit at this chair. I would sit at this chair. She would tell me that everything will be okay. Just calm down and just enjoy this chair. And when you're young, you believe these things. And you know what? I felt that everything was going to be okay. I can remember times when my grandmother would sit at my chair and smile. And other times she'll be sitting in a different chair, not too far from me, and she would smile at me and let me know that everything's gonna be okay. Sometimes I remember of memories of spending time with her, and she would say, "You know what? We should go get ice cream." And I'll be like, "Okay, let's go get ice cream." Memories are memories, but spending time with your grandmother, it's priceless. That's what I remember about this chair. Every time I sat at this chair, I was at my grandparents' house. And I would think of all the times that I did fun things. My grandmother was very sweet and kind, and she means a lot to me. Just like you, if you had a grandparent, they mean a lot to you. Certain things, certain objects, they mean a lot. I can think of times of great celebration. I think about my cousin's birthday, my grandmother's birthday, my mom and dad's birthday. We'll go to my grandmother's house after dinner, even if we went out to a restaurant. We'll come back to her house to eat cake or ice cream or some type of pie. It can be a great celebration. This chair has good celebration memories. My grandmother retiring, my grandpa retiring, my dad retiring. Birthday parties, sweet 16, sweet 13s, my nephew's first birthday party. Many birthdays were at her house, but this chair was part of every single memory. Memories are things that you'll never forget. This chair, it was given to me when they passed. I think of my grandmother when I sit in this chair. I think about all the love and kindness she shared and all the joys of fun she wanted me to experience. Life isn't the same, but this chair is all I have. A chair of memories, a chair of joy, appreciation of things that we have, and try to hang on to them as much as you can. Thank you. That is all by William French.